Here's some origins of chess trivia. Subscribe. What ancient Indian game is a precursor to chess? Is it A. Jenga, B. Go Fish, C. Shah Rukh, or D. Chaturanga? The correct answer is D. Chaturanga. Which Persian word describes the game of chess? Is it A. Kansar, B. Zarbaz, C. Shah, or D. Shaheen? The correct answer is C. Shah. What is the Arabic name for chess? Is it A. Shatranj, B. Chaturanga, C. Nard, or D. Go? The correct answer is A. Shatranj. What structure is associated with early chess in Europe? Is it A. Cathedrals, B. Castles, C. Guildhalls, or D. Manors? The correct answer is B. Castles. What is the primary objective in chess? Is it A. Attack the opponent, B. Control the board, C. Checkmate, or D. Capture the king? The correct answer is C. Checkmate. Which game's rules were standardized in the 15th century? Is it A. Chess, B. Backgammon, C. Go, or D. Checkers? The correct answer is A. Chess. What piece can move diagonally any number of squares? Is it A. Bishop, B. Rook, C. Knight, or D. Pawn? The correct answer is A. Bishop. What Russian word means to play chess? Is it A. Kreml, B. Tsar, C. Shakhmati, or D. Duma? The correct answer is C. Shakhmati. Which piece has the most varied movements? Is it A. Bishop, B. Queen, C. Knight, or D. Pawn? The correct answer is B. Queen. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.